Hello and welcome back. And in this class, we are going to talk about Terraform functions. Okay, so imagine you want to create any resource and you want to give the name of the resource dynamically. You don't want to just hard code the value. So in that case, you can use the Terraform functions. And these functions are similar like the functions which we use in different programming languages. Like we use the upper function to just make the string in uppercase. Then we have the lower function. Okay, then we have the min max. These functions we have also, and also with Terraform we can use the function for the list also, map also. Okay, so these are all the functions I'm going to show you in this class. So let's go the hands dirty. So let me just open up the code. Okay, VS Code, and we'll start with the basic. So let me just open a folder, and I will go in Terraform basics. Here I'll create a folder with name Terraform functions. Okay, fns I have written just for shortcut. Create a file main.tf tdf tf. Okay, so the first few functions that will be related to the string function. So it will be we can write as output and give any name like string example. After that we can give the value. The value we can give anything, and the upper we can give the upper function to just write anything Terraform basics. Then we have output function. We will give it to do string example2. Output we can give like lower we have, I don't think we have. Okay, we have, yeah. I'm giving output. We have to give value here, lower and ABC. Okay, we'll try with this one. Okay, Terraform string related to the string functions. So just open up your terminal and same the three magical commands which we have: Terraform init, Terraform plan, and then Terraform apply. So here you can see string example, Terraform basics, all are caps. Then we have the lower with the related to with lowercase letters like ABC. Here you can see. So in this way you can use this upper and lower in whenever you're defining any bucket. So in their name which you want to provide as upper and lower case, then in that case you can use. And also the important one, that is the, I will show you just now, that is the concat one. So you can concatenate also some values. Suppose you have to concatenate values of region and workspace. So that also you can use. So that will be defined with using the join keyword. Okay. So for join, it accepts two things. The first thing you can see as a separator, and then you can define the list which you are going to join. So separator, I want to give us suppose a hyphen, and suppose here I am giving the US East one, uh, and that will be into the list actually. So how we define the list we will define into the big brackets. Okay. So US to East one, here we can see the dev workspace. We can write dev work space. Okay, so now if I do Terraform apply, so here you can see it will give me the US East one dev and dev workspace. Okay, so in these two you can see the hyphen we have. If I add anything else also here, that will be also like one dash will be added before it. So here you can see workspace test. Okay, so in this way you can use the join keyword in which the first parameter will be the separator and the next parameter will be the list. In this way you can use the join keyword. Now moving forward, we can use the in a variable you can define any kind of list. Okay, suppose you want to define a list and you want to access that list. How you will be doing? So we are defining a variable with the name of a list of, or just to give the instances. And here suppose you want to provide default, and That will be like T2 micro. Then here you can see the comma T3 dot micro, then C6G. Okay, so this is the variable, and output you want to give as the instance name. Okay, and value you can provide. And for this, to access the list element, to access the list, we use the element which will accept the first parameter as the list and then the index number. So just do the element, and the list we have the instances here. So that we can give as the var dot instances, comma, and the whatever index you want to do, you want to fetch. So if you have learned any programming language, obviously you might have learned. So indexes starts with 0, so here will be the 0 will be this, 1, 2. And if you give 3, so it will go like this. 3 will be this, 4 will be this, 5 will be this. Then if I give 6, 6 will be this. So I'll just show you with 0 first and give yes. Okay. And if I give 6 here, then also you will see I will get the same output of T2 micro. So here you can see for 6 also T2 micro. If I can be given, if I give 7, that will be T3. Okay, so in this way you can use the indexes to access the element from the list. Now next we have map. So map also we can create a variable with name AMIs, and here we can define the value. Suppose the map is stored in the key value pair. So suppose in US East 1 we have AMI of 123. Then we have US East 2. If I give equal to AMI 1 to suppose like this. Okay. So in this variable we are storing the like in the key value pair. Now if you want to access the value of these key from the map, so we use lookup actually in values. Then if you do lookup here, so if I just show you, if I type in lookups, so here you can see you can give the input map, the map we have, and then the key as a string. So lookup is done, and the var.ami, this is my map, and the key I'm going to provide as the US East 1. Save it, do it, apply, give yes. And here you can see the AMI 123. If I give US East 2, so in that case it will be AMI to 123. So US East 3, that we don't have. Okay, 4, so it should give a error. Okay, so in this way you can use the map. Cool. Next we have like numeric we can use. So numeric, that is nothing but min max. So min number we can use the value will be the, if I give the min, and if I pass some numbers 5, 10, 3, so I should get the min. And if I do max number and pass here value equal to max of 1, 2, 3, just hit the apply button, give a yes. So in this way you can see the max number is 3, min number is 3. Okay, both are same. If I do 1 here, so I should get the min for min 1. Okay, min number is 1, 3. Okay, so in this way we can use this functions. Okay, and for you the task is to basically create a S3 bucket. Okay, create a S3 bucket, and the name of the bucket should be into the upper letter. Okay, and also what you have to do, you have to use your workspace name, and all should be into this like separator. For this should be a hyphen. So just give write in the comment section how you are going to do this. Okay, So that's it guys for this class, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.